Hey, welcome back to my channel. MOOG 515046 wheel bearing and hub assembly. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Reliable performance, precise roll-form design ensures consistent and optimal factory-installed preload to minimize excessive noise and wear. Extended service life application-specific advanced raceway design reduces stress, rotation, and heat on components. Easy to install, engineered and designed for fast, hassle-free installation. Corrosion protection coated wheel studs resist corrosion and rust for easier removal and proper torquing. Rigorous testing, comprehensive testing throughout design and development processes by MOOG engineers for quality you can count on. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.